Gaiam Restore Massage Stick Pressure Point Muscle Massage Roller. Massage Stick Roller targets pressure points to stimulate tissue recovery and promote circulation for rapid healing. Deep Tissue Massage. Spiked nodules provide deep tissue massage for effective relief and treatment of muscle pain and soreness. Athletic Recovery Tool. Ideal for runners and athletes recovering from sports-related injuries or strains, helps to compress and stretch muscles and reduce trigger points. Cellulite Blaster. Also works great in helping to roll and smooth out tough skin spots, and helps to ease leg pain at night related to restless leg syndrome. Dimension. REEHUT Muscle Roller Massage Stick Tool for athletes. 18 inches muscle roller for relieving muscle soreness, soothing cramps, massage, physical therapy and body recovery. Black. Designed for physical therapy, roll knots out of muscles for myofascial release and trigger point therapy, increase blood flow, aid rehabilitation, reduces soreness, stiffness and pain. Great for neck, shoulders, arms, legs, upper back, lower back, buttocks, thighs, hamstrings, quads, calves, shins, feet, shin splints, cellulite and more. Doeplex Muscle Roller Massage Stick for athletes. 17.5 body massager soreness, cramping pain and tightness relief, helps legs and back recovery tools, travel size. Enjoy a deep tissue massage anytime. Designed with freely spinning rollers, it delivers a deep tissue massage straight to your tired, aching zones, bones, and muscles. It improves the efficiency of blood circulation to increase flexibility and strengthen muscles while reducing soreness. Use this stick to alleviate cramps, knots, pain, soreness, and muscle tightness in your legs, calves, hamstrings, glutes, Achilles, quads, arms, neck, shoulders, and back. Warm up properly and speed recovery. By helping you warm up before a workout, it prevents injuries related to muscles tightness and the like. Using a roller is a proven way to loosen tight muscles, speed recovery after a tough workout, and prevent injuries. As a parent, you can use this technique to help your kids and their team get ready for competition by limiting injury and keeping them performing at peak in football, lacrosse, rugby.